Okay guys, welcome back. I got the pasta and the broccoli cooked. The chicken's heated up. So what we're going to do now, I'm opening the cheese. We're just going to mix the chicken in with that and just mix it all together. Never tried this before. This is the first time, so I can't really tell you how it is because I don't know. I like this cheese because it's so much easier. Ren, you can't have this cheese. Okay guys, so here we go. Just to give it a good mix. David, do you think it needs more cheese?
Nah, I say you got a good coating in there.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well, I'm going to let my husband try this. See what he thinks.
I think this battery, this thing's running out.
Alright, my love. Here you go.
Alright. Yeah, that's good. As always, thank you for watching. The battery's running out, so peace out, my friends.